Elephants are truly magnificent creatures. Known for their enormous size, powerful trunks, and unique tusks, they are the largest land mammals on Earth. But what makes elephants so special? Let's take a closer look at these incredible animals. Elephants are found in Africa and Asia, where they roam through savannas, forests, and grasslands. There are two main types of elephants: African elephants and Asian elephants. African elephants are the larger of the two, with bigger ears and larger tusks. Asian elephants are a bit smaller and have rounder ears, but they're just as fascinating. One of the most unique features of elephants is their trunk. The trunk is a combination of their nose and upper lip, and it's incredibly versatile. Elephants use their trunks to drink water, pick up food, greet each other, and even help them cool down by spraying water on their bodies. Their trunks have around 40,000 muscles, making them one of the strongest tools in the animal kingdom. Elephants also have tusks made of ivory, which are actually enlarged teeth. These tusks help elephants dig for water, strip bark from trees, and protect themselves from predators. Sadly, elephants are often hunted for their tusks, which is why they are a protected species in many parts of the world. Another amazing thing about elephants is their strong social bonds. They live in family groups, led by the oldest female, known as the matriarch. Elephants are highly intelligent and communicate with each other using sounds, body language, and even vibrations that travel through the ground. Their communication helps them stay connected, find food, and protect their young. Elephants are also known for their memory. They can remember water sources and migratory paths, which helps them survive in the wild. They are also deeply empathetic animals. Elephants have been observed showing affection to each other, comforting grieving family members, and even helping other animals in distress. Sadly, elephants face many challenges today, such as habitat loss and poaching. It's important that we protect these incredible creatures to ensure they continue to roam the earth for generations to come.